The morning sun glinted off the polished helmets of the soldiers as they stood at attention, their uniforms immaculate and their expressions resolute. The air was thick with anticipation and the scent of freshly cut grass. It was Armed Forces Day, a time to honor the brave men and women who dedicated their lives to protecting the nation. Crowds gathered on either side of the broad avenue, their excitement palpable, flags waving in a sea of red, white, and blue. A drumbeat echoed in the distance, steady and strong, growing louder with each passing second. Then, they appeared, the 1st Regiment, marching in perfect unison. Each step was a testament to their discipline, their boots striking the ground with precision. The rhythmic cadence of their march resonated through the air, a powerful reminder of the order and discipline that underpinned their service. Leading the parade was Captain Sarah Thompson, a decorated officer whose stern gaze and unwavering focus embodied the spirit of the military. Her presence commanded respect, and as she led her troops, her heart swelled with pride. Behind her, the soldiers marched with chins held high, eyes forward, their movements synchronized in a display of sheer professionalism. The parade continued, showcasing the diverse branches of the military. Navy sailors, in their crisp white uniforms, moved as one, the sunlight reflecting off their medals. Air Force pilots, smartly dressed in blue, followed suit, their strides confident, each one a symbol of the guardians of the skies. The Marines, known for their toughness and resilience, marched with a fierce intensity, their every step a declaration of their readiness to defend at all costs. Spectators cheered as the parade progressed, their applause a heartfelt tribute to the service members' dedication and sacrifice. Among the crowd, children watched with wide eyes, awestruck by the sight of the soldiers. Veterans stood tall, saluting their successors, pride and nostalgia mingling in their expressions. As the final regiment passed, the band struck up the national anthem. Voices from the crowd joined in, a chorus of unity and patriotism that echoed through the city. Captain Thompson, standing at attention, felt a lump in her throat. This was more than a parade. It was a celebration of service, a testament to the courage and commitment of those who wore the uniform. The parade ended, but the spirit it kindled endured. It was a reminder that behind the discipline and precision were individuals with unwavering dedication to their country, a force bound by honor, duty, and an unyielding spirit of service.